I know you don't want me to talk about covered calls, Robin, but I gotta make this video, okay? It's gonna be okay. Look at this. You're so cute. Okay, so what do if you want to buy a stock to sell a covered call to make money, but the stock has skyrocketed over the last couple days or even that day? And maybe the option expires on Friday, and let's just say, for the sake of this video, which it is, that it's Wednesday. So with 2 days to expiration, after the stock has had a massive rip, is it a smart strategy? The premiums are going to be really, really high because people are thinking, oh my God, the stock is going to go higher, and they're willing to pay higher premiums. But what are the downsides to this? Let's take a look. And of course, we are talking about HIMSS, and you can see that this stock has been just trading in like the 40s, the 50s, and then today it shoots up to $58. You can see that it is up $8. It is up 16%. Is it a smart strategy on Wednesday to buy the stock at this high with this chart just to make a little bit of money on the premiums? Let's take a look. So this is the options chain that expires on the 25th. Right here, you see it on the 25th. And take a look at this. It's $58.11. So if we went to the $59 strike price, you'd make $159 if you bought 100 shares and sold one covered call. Is it worth it to tie up $5,800 after the stock has had a massive run to the upside just to make $161? The downside to a strategy like this is that after a stock has a run up this massive in one day, the indicator, because you can see that the stock is extremely overbought, is that the stock is now going to pull back dramatically. There's no guarantee, of course, but it's an indication, looking at the indicators, and just common sense. You know, if you bought this stock yesterday at $46 and now it's $58, a lot of people are just going to dump their shares later on in the week. What happens if HIMSS plummets back down to, say, $54 a share at the end of the week? Now you're stuck. You bought it at 58. It's currently 54. And on the following Monday, all the options premiums are going to be dollars out of the money, and you're going to be making next to no money on those covered call premiums while you wait for the stock to go back up. And maybe it will, and maybe it won't. I'm not really the biggest fan of this kind of strategy. It's just not worth the risk to me to make $159, $160, but take a risk. So what I usually do in cases like this, when I see the stock rip, that's when I'm not selling covered calls. I then wait the following week for the stock to drop. This is, of course, also when you could do something called selling a cash secured put. Let me show you how to do it. My bet is that HIMSS is going to drop. Now, we can use something called Fibonacci retracements, which is this guy right here. You connect it to the most recent low, and my bet is that based on this, it could get down to $54. And I'm saying bet because that's kind of what it is. I'm guessing that this is going to pull back and drop into the 50s. So instead of looking at the call spread side, I'm going to look at the put side, which is right here. Now, if I wanted to buy the stock at, say, 54, I could sell a cash secured put. I would make $49-ish, but I would have to buy the stock at 54 if it got there. So people always ask me why I don't sell cash secured puts, and the reason is because, well, the premium for the price I want to buy it at just isn't worth it to me. You know, I could make $182 buying it at, say, $58, but I'm trying to get it at 54. So if it drops to 58, or if it drops to 57, or it drops to 53, I'm then required to buy it at 58, stepping into a loss. I don't really want to do that. So usually I don't sell cash secured puts. So what I do instead is I take that $5,800 and I buy a different stock the following Monday with a that's more affordable, that has a higher premium, and I wait for HIMSS to come back down. When HIMSS comes back down at the price that I want, I'll buy it, and I'll also make money off of the premium. And if I'm wrong and HIMSS doesn't come back down, well, then it is what it is.